B-Blanco, man. Hey, man. I'm back with another video, man. And yes, your boy got another pair of sneakers. I know y'all see in the title, bro. Woo, bro. This is one of my most hype drops, man, like ever. You know what I'm saying? You know what? It's crazy because I didn't even know these were dropping really, and my boy sent me the link to enter the raffle, and I was like, you know what, let me just enter the raffle. You know what I'm saying? And I got them. Here they are, man. I have not looked at the shoes. You see the box is sealed. I'm literally just opening it right now, and let's woo-wee. Hold on, man. We got the order. Actually, not gonna show you guys that. Don't want y'all to steal my info. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Woo! We have officially, let's check it out right here. The Air Jordan 4 Retro OG, as you can see, deep green, and what does that say? Something black, Emmenting, but listen. Anyways, let me show y'all the box, man. The Undefeated 4s, man. We have the Undefeated 4s, bro. Look at that box. Go ahead. Oh, show y'all that side already. Go ahead and look at this side. Nothing special on the bottom, but y'all didn't come for the box. Let's open the shoes, man. Let's open the shoes, man. Got your Undefeated paper. Oh, of course they're wrapped up, man, and they use this flimsy paper. I always end up like ripping this paper. I don't know why. I don't know why. But oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh my goodness, man. The Undefeated 4s, man. If y'all not up on game with this sneaker, man, I believe this sneaker originally dropped, I think, in 2009, and there was only like 25 pairs or something like that. So for them to re-release this shoe is absolutely crazy. Now let me go get the other shoe. Let's do the review, man. Let's make this proper, man. This is a very, very special shoe. All right, let's put this box out of there. All right. So I know that a lot of people, they have been, the orders have been delayed, and it says that they're going to be shipping by like August 28th or something like that. But hey, man, it's currently August 13th, and I got mine. All right, straight from Undefeated, man. I believe there's an extra pair of laces as well, man. Let me get into it. Hold on, let me just take everything out real quick. Damn. All right, so they put the laces inside, and it was already out. So I can see how the orange laces would. I ain't gonna lie, I probably might put the orange laces on these joints. I don't know, man. Should I keep them, bro? Should I sell them? Because man, they kind of going for a little bread right now, man. But let me look. Let's look at the shoe, man. Let's look at the shoe, man. Beautiful shoe. And to be honest, man, if this shoe didn't have any particular hype, is it just me? But there's not something. It's not like, if I'm just being honest, as like I mean, I'm a sneakerhead, right? But as a non-hype beast, you know what I'm saying? It's a tough shoe. But do you think this shoe deserves hype? Like, if it didn't have the Undefeated name, do you think this shoe would sell out? Let me know down in the comment section. I don't think so. If I'm just being real, it's a green shoe with orange and black. I prefer the Rare Airs, to be honest, but hey, that's just me. I know that's just a crazy take, but let's look at the patch on the tongue. I believe they're a little bit, no, they both have Rare Air. They both have Rare Air on there. There's nothing that specifically says, oh, I'm sorry. Let's look at that. Let's look at the bottom of the tongue. And as you can see, it says Undefeated right there. Now let's go ahead and look at the insole, man. These are some heat. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you, bro. They're heat. They're nice shoes. But do you think do you really think that these are worth the hype? I don't know. You know what I mean? But I'm glad that I was able to get mine. Just be patient, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody is eventually going to get their pairs. And this shoe is going to be releasing, I believe, on August 28th on the sneakers app as well. But let me know down in the comment section. I mean, there's no, like, if I'm being completely honest with you guys, there's nothing really super special about it. If I can be completely honest and real as a non-biased, you know, sneakerhead, non-hype beast opinion, I don't see, you know what I mean, generally why these shoes are so hype. I mean, I guess, like I said, because they originally released these, and I know Undefeated, you know what I'm saying, I know Undefeated has a lot of really nice collabs, but just in general, I just don't think that there's anything special with this shoe. It's a nice shoe. I'm not saying that it's an ugly shoe. I would definitely rock this shoe, but in terms of the amount of hype that it has, I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section how you guys are feeling about this, man. And yes, it did, like I said, came with the orange laces, man. I definitely think these will pop with the orange laces. I think a little bit better, but honestly, I probably might rock the black on these, man. But once again, oh shit. Once again, let me know down in the comment section. I like the little hang tag. Honestly, I don't usually like to rock hang tags on my kicks. If you guys know, you know, like, hang tags are pretty annoying to kind of walk around with. They kind of like bounce off your shoe, but this one is pretty light and it actually gives your shoe a little bit of character. So I honestly would keep these. But let me know down in the comment section how you guys feel about them. Did you cop? Did you miss? But other than that, man, I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got another hype shoe, man. Like, hey, man, if I can get some more drops, there will be more hype releases on the way, man. But I appreciate everybody, man. We're literally like I think 5 or 6 subscribers away from 2,000, man. Click that subscribe button right now, man. Support your boy. We on the road to 10K, man. I appreciate y'all. Everybody, take care, stay safe out there, and I'm out, people.